Hi guys, for today's recipe or today's video, ay gagawa tayo ng pandesal. So first is let's active our yeast. I'm using a warm milk in here, or you can use also a warm water, yeast, and the sugar. So let's mix this all together to dissolve the yeast and the sugar. Okay, so as you can see, our yeast is already active. So let's go to the next process. Alright, so here our flour. Okay, so make a hole in the middle, then add our active yeast mixture. So and next, let's add our cooking oil. Sugar and salt in. Okay, let's mix all together using this spatula for the first time. So after mixing all together at naging crumbs na siya, we can use now our hands to knead our dough. At this point, we can use now our hands to knead our dough. Okay, so it's ready now to knead our dough. Alright, so ilagay natin dito sa prepared natin na counter kung saan natin ininid ang ating dough. But you can use also stand mixer if you want. Ayan, so inid lang natin ito ng 8 to 10 minutes. After kneading, roll it into a ball. Ayan. Patient lang talaga ang paggawa, lalong-lalo na kung hindi kayo gagamit ng mixer. So ayan, looks dry our dough, but actually it's fine. Ayan. So next natin gawin is i-grease na natin yung ating bowl kung saan natin ilalagay ang ating dough. Yan. Same bowl na ginamit ko kanina. Lagyan ko lang siya ng oil. At ilagay na natin dito. Ayan, i-brush ko lang siya ng oil. And after this, we can set aside and let it rise for an hour. I mean is 1 hour, or until the dough is become double in size. Makikita naman natin, i-check natin after 40 minutes kung yung dough natin is nag-double na siya, and cover with tea towel, or you can use also cling wrap. Okay, so ito na siya, nag-double na siyang size. So what we do is we have to punch the dough down para matanggal yung air gas niya. So ayan. And next, ulit ilapag natin yung ating dough dito sa counter. At lagyan ng flour para hindi siya didikit. Anyway, hindi yan didikit kasi meron pa lang siyang oil. So ayan guys, i-divide na natin yung dough natin ulit. Ayan, i-press down lang. Press it down. Let's press it down the dough. And let's slice this one. Ayan. Ganyan kanipes. Just press it down. Don't force too hard. Okay. So, ayan. So, next is, kailangan na nating slice ang ating dough. Divide it into 12. Ayan. Maliit lang na portion ang ginawa ko. Parang 12 lang. 12 pieces lang na pandesal. It will be Sunday tomorrow. So, kwentuhan ko kayo para hindi kayo maboring. Sunday tomorrow. So, that's why I'll make a pandesal today for tomorrow. For my breakfast tomorrow. So, yeah. I-roll natin yung ating ball sa breadcrumbs. Ay, ang pag-roll pala nito is kailangan ninyong i-close the bottom. Kasi yung first pala na gumawa ako ng pandesal, I was failed. Failed talaga ako doon kasi hindi siya na-roll ng maayos. So, nung binake ko na siya, nag-open yung bottom niya. So, all we need to do right now is you have to close it tight on the bottom. Ayan, para hindi siya mag-open pag magda-double size siya again. Kasi after this, is kailangan muna natin i-set aside na maybe it maybe 15 minutes to rise it again. So, ayan. So, if tingnan ninyo sa bottom, kailangan i-sealed up ninyo doon sa bottom niya. Then, after that, making a bowl, then dredge again sa ating breadcrumbs. Alright, so it looks easy, right? Okay, so ito na siya. So, kailangan muli natin i-set aside ito ng 10 to 15 minutes maybe para lang mag-double in size o i-rest lang natin yung ating dough bago natin i-bake. So, ayan. It's perfect bowl coated with breadcrumbs. Okay, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Ayan. And it's ready to bake. Ayan, naka-rest na yung dough natin. At saka ready nang ipasok sa oven and cook until 20 to 25 minutes. Depende sa inyong oven. So, yan. And voila! Ito na yung ating finished product na homemade pandesal by Wang AJ. So, thank you so much again guys for watching at sa walang sawang pagsubaybay sa mga bago kong mga newly uploads. Guys, sana wag nyo akong iwan sa ere and please always watch my video. Thank you so much again. At kung ikaw ay di pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment, share, and ring the bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang mga i-upload. See you again next time. Bye for now!